Hello everyone, welcome to TechieLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive links to share a file or folder with other people. Now once you open up your Google Drive, all you need to do is just find the file or the folder that you want to share. The process is same for both files and folders. So once you find it, all you need to do is just right click on that file and then go to share and then click on share. Now in here you will see two options. One is for sharing with people or a group of people, and the another one is for sharing with everyone. So if you want to share the file with just one person or maybe two person, then all you have to do is type in the email address of that person in here and then select the role. He can be an editor, commentator, or viewer. So let's just select viewer, and this way he will only be able to view the file, and all you need to do now is click on send. Now that person will get a notification and will be able to see that file. Now if you want to share a file or folder with a lot of people using a link only, then all you have to do is just right click on that file and then go to share and then click on share. Now from here you need to click on this arrow and then select anyone with the link. Now all you need to do is just click on copy link and then click on done. Now you can share this link in a group or anywhere, and everyone with that link will be able to see all the files inside that folder, or if you're sharing a file, everyone will be able to see that file using the link that you have provided. And that is how you can share your files or folder using Google Drive and generate a shareable link. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.